In today's video, we're gonna see a trick to deal with the complicated fonts like these in Photoshop.
Yeah.
Welcome back. So without any further ado, let's directly jump into the Photoshop. So here we are, and so suppose इस picture में हम किसी word को change करना चाहते हैं. So how we can do that? Let's select the rectangular marquee tool and select the text over here like this. Then after we will go to the type and select match font. So Photoshop क्या कर रहा होगा कि आपके पीसी में जितने भी फॉन्ट इंस्टॉल्ड हैं उन सब में से बेस्ट रिजल्ट मैच करके आपको दे रहा होगा. So look at that, and from here we will select the best match according to us जो हमें सही लगता है. So suppose this looks perfect to me, I guess. Click over here, select OK. Now we will deselect the selection, press Ctrl D to deselect the selection and take the type tool and write over here. So suppose we will write production. As simple as that. Alright, so let's decrease the opacity to match the font like this. Okay, this looks perfect. So this is the one way. But क्या हो अगर हमारा टेक्स्ट कुछ इस तरीके का हो? Look at that. So no font will match to this. हाँ, अगर आप ऑनलाइन जाकर कुछ फॉन्ट्स को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं जो कि इस तरीके से दिख रहा हो, बट यू कैन नॉट एग्जैक्टली मैच द प्रिंटिंग. सो इस सिचुएशन में हम क्या करेंगे, इसी पिक्चर से हम डिफरेंट लेटर्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे एंड जहाँ पे हमें ज़रूरत है उस चीज़ को हम एडिट कर देंगे. सो लेट मी शो यू हाउ. सो सपोज वी वांट टू राइट हियर रोहित. ओके, सो व्हाट वी नीड टू एक्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम दीज, we need to extract R, O, H, I and T. So let's do that. Here we have O. So click on the rectangular marquee tool and select O. This looks perfect. Then press Ctrl J. It makes a duplicate copy of O. Rename this layer to O ताकि हमें ये पता रहे कि हमारा कौन सा लेयर किस टेक्स्ट को कंटेन कर रहा है. That's fine. And similarly हम अलग अलग लेटर्स को सेम तरीके से एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. So we have extracted all the letters that we required. Here we have O, here we have R, H, I and T. Now we just have to arrange these letters. So firstly, let's remove this name from here and we will use clone stamp tool for this. So let's remove. Alright, so this looks perfect and now we have to arrange our letters. So first of all we will select R, press Ctrl T, where we have R, here we have. So bring it from here, R, we have R, then we select O, press Ctrl T to transform and bring it near the R. This looks perfect. Then we have H, press Ctrl T and move it from here to here. This looks good, I guess. Okay, we have R, O, H, then we have I. Alright, okay, then lastly we have T. There we go. Just a quick fix. And look at that, this is the final result. I know कि ये थोड़ा lengthy process है, but it will give us the perfect result that we want. So this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed that. So see you in the next video. Until then,